Is cottage cheese good for you? Health benefits recipes. Once dismissed as a bland diet staple, cottage cheese has emerged as a culinary chameleon, captivating taste buds across Ohio and beyond. Its creamy texture, impressive protein punch, and versatility in both sweet and savory dishes have propelled it to stardom. But is this dairy darling truly a health hero? Let's dive in. From bland to brilliant, the cottage cheese renaissance. Gone are the days when cottage cheese was relegated to dieters' plates. Today, it's a brunch star. Topping toast with fruit and honey, blending into smoothies at health cafes, and gracing summer barbecues alongside tomatoes and crackers. It's even stepping in as a healthier swap for cream cheese, heavy cream, ricotta, and sour cream. As Kristen Smith, a registered dietitian nutritionist and spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, notes, people are incorporating cottage cheese into almost every recipe you can think of. But here's where it gets controversial. While cottage cheese is undeniably trendy, its health benefits aren't universally agreed upon. Let's break it down. What makes cottage cheese unique? Cottage cheese is a fresh, unripened cheese celebrated for its mild, tangy flavor and distinctive curds. It's crafted by curdling milk with an acid or enzyme, separating the solid curds from the liquid whey. These curds are then drained, rinsed, salted, and often blended with a creamy dressing to achieve that signature texture. Christina Cook, a California-based licensed nutritionist and registered dietitian, explains, its lumpiness varies depending on how the curds are processed. Some varieties have small curds, others large, and some are whipped for a smoother consistency. What sets cottage cheese apart from aged cheeses like cheddar or brie is its freshness. Aged cheeses undergo fermentation and drying, intensifying flavor and extending shelf life. Cottage cheese, however, retains higher moisture content, requiring refrigeration to stay fresh. This trade-off means a shorter shelf life, but a lighter flavor and more water-soluble nutrients. The health lowdown. Is cottage cheese good for you? Cottage cheese packs a nutritional punch. A half-cup serving delivers 12 to 15 grams of protein, all for under 100 calories. It helps build and repair tissues, and this is the part most people miss. While cottage cheese is nutritious, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Its fat content, particularly saturated fat, and sodium levels can be concerns. Some brands contain over 400 milligrams of sodium per 1/2 cup serving, nearly 20% of the daily recommended intake. For those with high blood pressure or kidney disease, this could be problematic. Additionally, its lactose content may cause digestive issues for those with lactose intolerance, and dairy proteins can trigger reactions in individuals with allergies or autoimmune conditions. The bottom line, to cottage cheese or not. Cottage cheese is a fantastic way to boost protein intake without excess calories or fat. However, if you have high cholesterol or blood pressure, opt for low-sodium or non-fat versions. As Cook advises, it's all about balance and choosing the right variety for your needs. Thought-provoking question, is cottage cheese a health food or a hidden hazard? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your take.